welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hosanna Chikodo and I'm the founder of Chikodo FX. Now on this channel I bring you all sorts of content related to trading, showing you how to trade the markets profitably, trading the institutional method because I myself I trade institutionally. I use institutional methods in my trading, and also showing you the best way to manage your trading career and get profitable as a trader and get funded as a trader. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, because there's going to be plenty of content coming to you from this channel relating to how to scale up your trading and better your lot as a trader. So with that out of the way, in this particular episode, I want to talk to you about how I passed my Forex funds evaluation. At this moment, I'm a funded trader, so I just got funded, and I'm going to be talking to you step by step how I did go through that, the journey overall, how I failed from the beginning, how I wasn't profitable to getting profitable to being able to pass the two-step evaluation of the prop firm. But before I proceed, I would like to define what the prop firm is and how prop firms work. Now, a prop firm is a company that gives you capital to trade on their behalf. So what that means is that you are the trader, you have the skill, you're the expert, you can actually trade, but you don't have enough money. But a prop firm has the money, they have the capital, so they look for profitable traders that can actually trade and make money on their behalf. So what happens is, let's say you have a $100,000 trading account, and then there's a profit split of 70%. The prop firm is offering 70-30 profit split, or 80 or 85 as the case may be. Now, at the end of the month, let's say you make $10,000 as profit on your 100K account. What happens is that you're going to take a profit split of say 70%, which means out of $10,000, you get to keep $7,000 for yourself. The prop firm pays you $7,000, while they keep the remaining $3,000 for themselves. So that is how prop firm actually works. So now, in this particular, the reason I decided to make this clear, this quick definition, is because of, I noticed that within the trading community, it's not everybody that knows what a prop firm is. So the prop firm gives you capital, you trade on their behalf, and then you split the profit, of course, with a higher percentage of the profit coming to you as the trader. So I passed my Forex funds, and the reason, prior to this, the reason I'm really excited about this is that, I failed multiple times in the past. The first one I failed was with FTM. I think that was around last year, because I started trading 2 years ago in 2019. Like, that was when I fully started trading, excluding all the years I tried to learn how to trade in the past that I didn't work out. So within about 2019, I actually started trading and teaching myself how to trade. So um, I didn't pass the first FTMO valuation. That was about last year, and fast forward to 2020, because I've been trading for 2 years now, and it took me about a year and 6 months to get consistently profitable, and I didn't start seeing profitability until I started trading the ICT methodology. So I trade based on ICT concept, institutional concepts, and all those kind of things. So that is how I trade the markets. So I got profitable about this. I've been profitable for the last 6 months on my own personal account. So right now I just got funded 6 months after being profitable. And the truth of the matter is that as a trader, you should not be attempting to take any prop firm exams if you're not grounded in your strategy, if you're not grounded in your skill as a trader. So if you're not grounded, you should not be looking to take any prop firm evaluation. So when you know what a prop firm is, you know that the potential ahead is crazy, that you have massive opportunity to make money from the market the moment you get funded as a trader. The ultimate thing you should be doing is looking to grow your skills. The moment your skills are up there and that you know what you're doing, that you're very skilled, you're profitable in your system, you've traded demo, you're profitable on demo, you've funded a live account, you've traded it for a while, you're profitable, you can manage your emotions, you can deal with the psychology of the markets, ranging markets, and all sorts of things. The moment you can do all that, at that point, you should be attempting to take, an evaluation. Now, when you get to the evaluation, there's a big problem in the industry right now where, of course, a lot of traders, they make videos how I pass FTMO in 2 days, 3 days, and all this kind of thing. Yeah, they might have really passed it in 2 days, but it's very, very bad for the general public consuming the videos or consuming their commodity, because by the time you see that, now most prop firms have two-step evaluations. The first evaluation is where you have 30 days to actually make 10% or 8%, as the case may be. For example, my company is 8% within 30 days, and within 30 days you must have a minimum of 10 active trading days. Now, that is the first phase. And now when you have 30 days to actually trade and generate 8% or 10%, you should be patient with that and not try to do it within 2 days, because you're not rushing off to anywhere. And that is where a lot of traders get it wrong. They try to, like, take high risks, try to make all the money in one day, and all those kind of things. No, that's not how this thing is done. You can gradually take it. If you have, let's say, a target to make, if it's a $10,000 account, you're going to make $100 a day using a $50 risk. You are still going to make that money. You are still going to get there. Like $50 risk, using $100 reward. That's two times reward for the risk. You're still going to make that money if you have a 50% win rate. You're going to get there eventually. So the problem there is that most traders just tend to like overlook the aspect of being patient with the trading, and then they just try to make it in a few days. You're not trying to impress anybody. Nobody cares whether you pass in 2 days or 3 days or 10 days. Nobody cares. The most important thing is just pass and be sure that you're making money in the markets. So now, moving on to the verification stage, you have 60 days to make 5%, which is way less. Now, by the time you have 60 days to make 5%, you should be patient with that. For example, in my case, in the first stage, I passed within 8 days. I think it was within 8 days. And when I did pass that, moving on to the second stage, I started facing bits of challenges here and there. I would have been done within the first week or within the first 2 weeks, but I was facing challenges in the sense that I wasn't, I was up 2.5% within the first week, and going into the second week, I hit a drawdown, and then I went back to break even. So, of course, I started trading all the way back up from the beginning again. So by the time I hit about, I think I was up 4.6%, just roughly 0.04% to be done with the verification stage. I went back to 3%, and from 3%, the next trade I took, brought the 2% that was required for me to pass, and then I passed. But in all, it took me 26 days, and then 17 trading days to actually pass the exam. So to pass the second verification stage. So, there is really no point trying to rush the whole thing. The problem is a lot of traders who fail because they're trying to, apart from the fact that, not many traders are actually good enough to do all these kind of things, or maybe people are attempting it before they actually get good with trading, but the vast majority of good traders who actually don't pass, maybe they fail because mostly of ego and trying to make it within a very short period of time, which is absolutely unnecessary. So that is how I did get through, and those are my tips for you. So the first thing is you must make sure that you're very skilled in what you're doing, and then another thing is there are different kinds of prop firms. That now some prop firms are suitable for long-term traders. Some prop firms are suitable for day traders. So you must be sure that your prop firm allows you to hold the trade over the weekend, allows you to hold the trade over the news. You must be aware of the kind of trader you are and the kind of strategy that you're using before looking for the prop firm that actually suits how you trade. For example, prop firms like the Fivers, are better suited for long-term traders. But I myself, my prop firm, which is my forex fund, is suitable for all types of traders. Whether you're a day trader or you're a long-term trader, it's suitable for you because it allows you to hold over the news and over the weekend. And if you choose to, and it gives you a leverage of 1 to 100 on your trade. So if you choose to be a short-term trader, it's perfect for you. If you choose to be a long-term trader, it's also perfect for you. So it's just about going with what suits you and what's best for your style. But you must first of all know what kind of trader you are, and you want to be with a prop firm that fully maximizes your potential and gives you the opportunity to grow based on the kind of trader that you are. So I'll be bringing you more of my experience and more of my journey through professional trading, because I just got funded this time around. It's a $10,000 funding, but I'll be going deeper to go and move on to six figures and then get to the ultimate, because my prop firm has a maximum of $600,000 funding for each trader, where you can have $200,000 in 3 accounts or $300,000 in 2 accounts, because you cannot have more than $300,000 in one single trading account with my forex fund. So that's just a quick tip there. So um, I made an announcement last time that if you wanted to, I wanted to do a giveaway as a way of appreciating the trading community and also the people who did help me get to this point where I am, and that's to give away 2 spots for free in my premium Telegram channel, where I call out all these trades that I take and things like that. So there were 2 people who participated in that. Based on the whole thing, so 2 people actually did participate in the giveaway, and those 2 people, I'm going to leave a link for my Instagram channel for you to be able to send me a message on Instagram, and then I'll add you to the premium Telegram channel. You get access to that for a whole month, and then after that, if you're very cool with what you're seeing there, we do all kinds of cool stuff, you know, weekly market breakdowns, video calls and things like that. If you're very cool with all those kind of stuff, then you can go ahead and actually extend your subscription. So that is the whole thing. And every single trade I took during evaluation to pass the evaluation phase 1 and to also get through the verification stage, they were all called out within the premium channel. So There's really nothing to hide. There's really no need to take trades that, I don't take trades and then I don't call them out to the premium subscribers. So that is how this whole thing actually works. So thank you very much for sticking around until the end of the video. Once again, I'm asking you to please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps the algorithm, it helps us grow. We are sitting at 155 subscribers right now, and I'm really happy if you guys can just help me get up to 200 subscribers. Please don't leave without subscribing. It's really helps to grow the channel and gives us motivation to keep making these videos. So a big cheers to everyone out there, and I wish you good luck with your trading and your trading career. Cheers.